Today we are going to discuss about mammary glands. The mammary glands are nothing but what? Breast. One pair of breast. In human beings we are observed one pair of breast. Okay. The mammary glands. These are the parts of female reproductive system. In mammary glands, one pair of breast. These breasts are modified. What is that one? The modified sweat glands. Modified sweat glands. Mammary glands are modified sweat glands. And when we are observed what these breast or mammary gland size is increasing after puberty. At the stage of after puberty, we will observe the mammary glands or breast size is increasing. Why breast size is increasing after puberty? Why? Because the breast size is increasing after puberty. The influence of what? Estrogen hormone. Why? Because influence of estrogen hormone. Why? Before puberty, what will be happening? Before puberty, in female body, the hormonal secretion is very less. And after puberty and only the progesterone and estrogen hormone secretion is more, so that the size of the breast or size of the mammary glands are increasing. Right, understand? After puberty, the reason is what? The influence of estrogen and progesterone hormone. These are the female hormones. Okay, and mammary glands, if you observe it there. Okay, structure of mammary gland. In structure of mammary glands, if you observe it there, these mammary glands are breast connected with what? Ribs. The female, okay, ribs is there. In these are connected with what? Ribs. And in mammary glands, especially what we call glandular tissue. This part we can call glandular tissue. Each and every mammary gland having what? It consists glandular tissue. I will show. And variable fats. Variable fats. It will be contains what? Okay. Whatever I am drawn in green color, this is the fat region. Whatever I am drawn, this is the blue color region is what? Especially glandular tissue. That cells are located which are useful for secretion of glandular means what? Secretion of milk. The glandular tissue is located in this region and around the breast, okay, the fat tissue is accumulates. Okay, the glandular tissue, in each and every glandular tissue, each breast, it will be divided into glandular tissue and variable what? Fats. Each and every glandular tissue, again, it is divided into lobules. What lobules we can call? These lobules we can call mammary lobules. Mammary lobes. Mammary lobes. How many mammary lobes it will be divided? 15 to 20. Okay. So that you have to observe whatever these I am drawn only 4 lobules, but it is divided into 15. Each and every glandular tissue divided into 15 to 20 lobules. But I am drawn only 4. Not possible to draw 15 to 20. Okay, so that easy to understand. I am drawn only 4. Okay, here, okay, these lobules, it is divided into lobules. One lobule like this, one lobule, two lobule, third lobule, fourth. Okay, these are divided into lobules. That means glandular tissue divided into lobules. What lobules? That is we can call mammary lobules. Each and every mammary lobule. Each and every mammary lobule, it will be consist what? Cluster. Cluster means what? Group of cells, cluster of cells. That cells we can call mammary alveolus. Okay? What is alveolus? The blue color structure. If you observe it there, the blue color structure which is the cells, the cluster. Each and every mammary, okay? This is mammary lobule. In mammary lobule, the cluster group of cells. What cells? That is means what? Alveolus. Mammary alveolus cells. In these cells, what? Milk is stored. milk stores in these cells only. Okay, and these alveolar cells are connected with what? Mammary duct. Mammary duct. These mammary ducts are open into what connects and open into joints and open into mammary ampulla. Ampulla. Okay, here these what? These are we can call mammary lobes. In cells we can call mammary alveolus. Alveolus are open into mammary ducts. Mammary ducts connects with what? Ampulla. The blue color this row. We can call ampulla. Ampulla, it stores temporarily what? Milk. It will be stores what? Temporarily milk. Okay, it will be stores what? Temporarily milk. And these ampulla, that mean what? Just like a what? Lumen in ampulla, the sac-like structure. Ampulla connected with joints connected with what? Lactiferous ducts. That means through with the lactiferous ducts, the milk is passing into nipple. The black color, which is the starting point here, this point we can call nipple. Nipple, whatever black area is there around the nipple. Okay, through with the nipple, when the baby sucked out the milk outside. Okay, and through with lactiferous tubules are opened into nipple. Through with nipple, the milk is sending outside, sucked out. Okay, and this around nipple, the black color area is there. Okay, around nipple, the black color area. Okay, this black color area around the nipple. Okay, this black color area we can call areola. What we call? Areola. This is the structure of what? Mammary gland. Very easy to learn. Nothing. First of all, in mammary gland, it is a modified what? Sweat glands. We are observed in female after puberty. Before puberty, they are very small in size. After puberty, they starts from developing. Why? Because the influence of estrogen and progesterone hormone increasing the size. After parturition, the milk secretes. These glands are glandular tissue. Whatever glandular tissue is there, it will be secretes what? Milk. For example, in glandular tissue, lobules is there. Lobule 1, 2, 3, 4, like 15 to 20 lobules is there. Each and every lobule, the cluster of cells is there. The cluster of cells we can call ampulla. So that, okay, the first one glandular tissue, variable fats around breast, and what? Mammary lobes. And how many? 15 to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. What? So many. Okay. And in that cells is there. That cells we can call alveolus cells. In that milk stores. And after that one, it will be open into mammary ducts. After that one, mammary ducts connected with ampulla. In ampulla, temporarily milk is stored temporarily in ampulla. Ampulla open connected with what? Lactiferous ducts. That through with lactiferous ducts open into nipple. Around the nipple, the black space, the black color, what we call that space, we can call areola. Okay, this is the structure of what? Sweat glands. Okay, thank you.